Welcome back. They say that designing a space is not just about sourcing the right kind of material at the right price, but also to understand their individual characteristic. At the same time, it is important to understand how do they amalgamate with each other. So let's understand that today. Hello, Praveen ji.
Hello, Sanjeev ji.
Welcome back.
You too.
Okay, I was waiting for you to come back from Europe.
Yeah.
How was the trip?
Trip was fine.
Okay.
I went around Europe and UK to see the furniture trends.
Okay.
You know, what is happening around the world so that we can bring them to our fold and tell it to our clients, show them those designs.
Okay, but a lot of family members from Claptrap, they believe their trends, their liking, their choices are different because their atmospherical changes are different. I mean, they live in a different atmosphere.
See, what happens is design has no language, no boundaries.
Okay.
Across the world, designs evolve. For example, a lot of people like Italian designs in India, a very, very big fan following. Then a lot of American designs like straight line sofas, etc. They're coming from US. For example, a lot of brands which have curved sofa designs or other designs. So what we do is we do fusion.
Okay.
Bring it here, change it according to Indian palate and taste.
Right.
Change the fabric as per Indian conditions, which is softer and because of this sweaty and hot weather in India that we have. So we do those changes, but design language can travel.
Right. I understand. Aesthetically correct. Straight line, they fall into a different segment. Then you have new classical. Then you have got Indo-Indian also. And then you have got a lot of Arabic patterns. I understand that. But when it comes to color palette, Europeans, they believe that because the whole intensity of sun is so low, they like a lot of
lighter colors. Yeah, they're into whites, toupe, whites, light
Beiges.
mauve, beiges, and that's all. I think very limited colors. When you call them Scandinavian colors, like Danish and other countries there.
Right.
So they're all very, very light and straight lines. So in the whole house, you would not see any classical design. Either you'll see very, very nice classical with the Italian, palaces kind of a design that you have, or you'll go for very straight lines. So in India also, we have a very large number of people who like those straight line designs.
Okay.
Nowadays, lighter colors. So, but we keep all the mix. You will see around. I'll show you a couple of designs that we're doing for a couple of our customers right now.
Okay.
So let's start, and I'll show you.
What belongs to?
This is again a modern contemporary.
Okay.
Yeah. You see the sofa is straight line, but we've given chairs as curved, slightly curved with wooden base and all.
Right.
So it's a fusion. I would call nowadays people are going around the world, going to a holiday, for example. If you go to South India, you pick up a lot of souvenirs from there, some kind of statues, some kind of these things. So you put them around. So Indian home is most diversified homes that we have seen. And I tell you what, having gone abroad, you also traveled so much, I have traveled so much. They are boring.
Right.
There is a soul in Indian homes.
Okay.
बहुत creativity होती
But
है.
it should not be overdone actually.
देखिए अपना टेस्ट है, मैं आज की बात बताऊं. अब रणवीर सिंह बोलते हैं उसको, जो एक हीरो है, वो बहुत ही अपने आप को फ्लैम्बायंट कपड़े पहनता है, बहुत लाउड है, लेकिन तब भी उसको लोग प्यार करते हैं और लोग उसको बहुत टॉप पे देते हैं. I mean, अपनी चॉइस है.
I know, but
if you can carry it well,
it depends who is carrying it.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Okay, so there are principles and there are rules. Principles are basically set and rules are supposed to be made. It's break. Okay, so it depends who is breaking it.
Yeah.
Talking about this now, this has got something that is going along with the whole thing.
देखिए बहुत ही plain color we've given in the sofa, and just to bring little bit of brightness, we've given this nice blue color chairs. Right?
Okay.
Youth likes it very much.
Okay.
And this table is, I think, one of your favorites also.
No, selenite is
Selenite.
Okay. I was reading somewhere, I'm sorry I'm cutting into it.
Yeah.
There are different ways and means to actually collaborate or actually harmonize your all furniture units. To start with, first is the lines. The first thing that they taught me in interior design is a line. For example, when you have curves, so you can have curves. So this is a perfect example. Look at this one. This has got a lot of curves. The sofa has got curves, chair has got curves.
Yes.
So they go hands and gloves together.
Matching, but still we've tried to keep the straight line on the back. The curves are on the side,
Right.
so that it is not too much. And at the end of the day, it should be comfortable to sit on.
Second thing,
Nice soothing colors.
Right. Second thing, they say that you match with fabric.
Yeah.
Suppose you're using boucle, then it has to be boucle throughout. If it is suede, then it has to be suede.
Correct.
Unless you want to experiment. But you have to be, when you are getting experimental, be little careful because it's not everybody's cup of tea.
Correct.
But to be experimental, you need to know the rules.
Absolutely. I mean, unless you are master of the rule, you can't experiment. Now,
Right.
for example, look at this sofa. This is again on a curve. What we made here is stain-free smart fabric. This is very popular fabric. Yeah.
Right.
Made in USA.
Right.
And nice fabric. Even in fact, D-Decor, the day before yesterday, I was watching this ad. They also come up with the same fabric.
Really? Okay.
Similar
But this
from
has
there.
become so popular.
Because everybody wants stain-free now, but
Right.
obviously their prices will be much more than what we are importing it directly from the importer. So now this is curved.
Right.
And
So, yeah, we'll be talking about this. So
Okay.
two elements we have spoken about, the lines and the fabric. Third is the color palette.
Yeah.
With the help of color palette also, you try to harmonize your furniture units. Like this is opposite contrast or it can be the same muted tone. Like
Can
this
be,
one is
can be.
opposite contrast.
See, we are here to show you how wacky, how experimental you can be.
Right. So idea is to basically educate our viewers. So if in case you are going for opposite contrast, creating an accent, it is for the people, as you said, wacky, little eccentric, little studio
Even
sort.
if what's I tell you what, see younger generation participate. पहले क्या होता था? Parents used to decide अच्छा घर में सोफा आना, घर में बेड आना, कर दिया काम. अभी क्या होता है? Younger generation is the one which is very important. So mother father will also call up, बेटा ये this is okay or not? वो कहेगी नहीं नहीं I don't like it. तो बच्चा son will बोलो नहीं नहीं ये तो बड़ा boring लग रहा है. So that's why you need to carry the youths with you.
Taste with
because
Right.
because अभी क्या है डेमोक्रेसी जो है घर में आ चुकी है कंट्री की पॉलिटिक्स पार्लियामेंट से. वो घर में क्या होता है सारे के सारे जो डिसीजंस होते हैं विद द कंसेंट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी फैमिली मेंबर इवन इफ इट इज अ स्मॉल किड नो इन योर होम. अगर आपका बच्चा मान लीजिए 5-6 साल मतलब थोड़ा समझ आ गई है तो वो भी जो बच्ची है वो बोलेगी मुझे ये पिंक चाहिए, मुझे ये ऐसा चाहिए, मुझे रानी कलर चाहिए. बेटा बोलेगा मुझे ब्लू अच्छा लगता है या मतलब इवन इफ रेड और ग्रीन और व्हाटएवर कलर. So you have to take that into consideration.
Right. Right. But okay, that's the designer's responsibility to
Yes.
incorporate all the tastes and colors. Like I like this one. This has got a little bit of salmon and salmon
Yeah.
color, beautiful accented. Like circle, circle, circle. You get to see a lot of circles.
Yes. And हम लोगों ने इसको अपने ever famous mother of pearl के टेबल के साथ हमने इसको प्रेजेंट किया है. यहाँ पे आपने देखा ये वाला टेबल में आपने देखा सेलेनाइट है और स्ट्रेट लाइन थोड़ा सा कर्व्ड है. नीचे बेस भी आप देखेंगे मेटल में है एसएस. और यहाँ पे हमने इसको सिंस द सोफा इज कवर्ड एंड द चेयर इज कवर्ड सो वी जस्ट केप्ट अ राउंड
All right.
table.
Okay. Now you are getting experimental. Look at these cushions.
Yeah.
Generally, with kidney bean sofas, there was a when the kidney bean sofa was introduced, they used to have a lot of ball-shaped round cushions, right? So we have introduced square.
See क्या होता है everything need not to be as per
Symmetry.
as you said written rule books जो होते हैं ना वो थोड़ा तोड़ दिए जाते हैं.
I know.
तभी तो देखिए मास्टरपीस तभी क्रिएट होते हैं जब आप थिंक आउट द बॉक्स होता है. You have to think out of the box.
लेकिन सबके लिए नहीं है वो.
सबके लिए नहीं है, I understand, but we are experts for that. We'll just guide you, we'll handhold you. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सब कुछ ही खुद करना पड़ेगा. We'll handhold you, we'll tell you that boss, this is what is going to look nice. आप बोलेंगे अच्छा मुझे दिखाइए, विजुलाइज कराइए. तो हमारे पास पीसेज हैं, हम लोग उसको मिक्स एंड मैच करके आपको दिखाएंगे. We have a large library in our computers. We will show you on larger screens and we'll just carry you around. So visual एक आपको नजर आ जाएगा, उससे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा what is best suited for your home.
Correct.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next one now. अब एक दो टिप्स हैं जो आपसे लेते रहेंगे.
बताएं जी.
आपने पिछले वीडियोस में कभी भी शेयर नहीं किया है.
बताएं.
जैसे ये मुझे लग रहा है कि both the colors are very muted, like sea green, it's a peachish sea pink, and light blue. This kind of color combination is perfectly suitable for, of course, for the larger homes, but mainly for smaller homes.
Smaller home में lighter color makes it look big. I would say that अगर आपको बहुत कलर से प्यार है तो एक वॉल को थोड़ा सा आप वॉलपेपर या फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेंट के कलर में सॉलिड करके थोड़ा डार्क कर लीजिए, बाकी सबको लाइट रखिए. और सोफा जो है अगर आप लाइटर रखेंगे तो वो खिल के आएगा. और हमारे स्टेन फ्री फैब्रिक का सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज यही है दैट दीज आर meant to be used in any condition because you just can wipe it clean with a mild detergent. Need not to worry about coffee or ketchup or food. हल्दी वल्दी के भी दाग नहीं रहेंगे इसके अंदर.
Right. Okay,
this is the
now
beauty.
a lot of people must be wondering, we did not discuss about the price part of it. So what is the range of sofa that
See,
we
our
start with?
sofa starting from about 15,000 going up to about 25,000. I also told you in the last.
Right.
And trust me, it's a very good quality material. We are supplying it to very, very large projects. Be it Godrej's, be it M3Ms, be it Smart World, and various others, builders. They're buying for their
Sample apartments.
sample apartments and also their lobbies.
Later
etc.
when it is being executed.
We've done huge number of projects.
You have got a lot of interior designers on board, not exactly working for you, but they buy stuff from you, right?
A lot of interior designers are buying from us
Okay.
for their projects.
All right, chaliye. It's like this is a beautiful combination of dual accent,
Yeah.
opposite contrast. Both of them are intensity is very less, like
Yeah,
the grey and
very light.
Yeah, very light. Perfectly suitable for a compact apartment.
And now you see this table that we've actually, this is again inlay table, beautifully done.
Not horn and bone, right? Is it?
No. It is resin inlay.
Okay.
Now base is again SS with golden color PVD.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
And we've just brought it here just to add a little bit of drama and color. It is, it is dramatic if you see, look at the design.
To make sure that your entire setup doesn't
Yes.
go very boring.
And
Okay.
I don't know whether you've seen that new artwork that we have
Yeah, I
given
got to see
there,
that.
one, Krishna's artwork. That's again Pattachitra, very beautiful.
Nice.
Nice silver golden frame
Okay.
and very good work. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is,
Again, Pattachitra.
yes.
Oh, we have our own online store as well. We have got large range of paintings available.
Yes,
with
so
us.
you can always go to our website and see. Otherwise, come down to the store. Here, tons of artwork is there.
Right. Like these ones, right? This is a set of 3?
Set of 3, yes. So you can buy it individually. You can buy set of 2. So all the pricing has been done accordingly.
Oh, this is nice. You
Okay.
didn't tell me what
I was just waiting for you to come here.
Okay.
So you, yeah. So this is what you like.
Very nice. I just loved it. I loved it for the shape to start with, then we'll talk about the finish. This is sunburst form and so
This is sunburst form, yes.
Okay. Beautiful, very nice. What is this material that we have used here?
This is resin inlay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, we are going to bring certain beautiful designs in cabinetries. Next video, God willing, you'll see them.
We'll feature them?
Yes, you'll feature them.
Okay, done. And then another important part we are talking about is, we said we started with lines, then we said color palette, we were talking about fabric textures belonging to the same family. Another important aspect in interior designing is the dimensions. So, like, there are ovals, there are circles, there are squares, there are rectangulars.
Yep.
So you guys play with a lot of designs, like this one has got oval shape.
Yeah, this is a leaf shaped table. Yeah. Now, क्या चीज चाहिए होती है? एक corner चाहिए होता है, accentuate करना होता है.
Right.
There is a nice chair lying there, and this table is there. I mean, you don't need anything else. This is design centric in itself.
True.
Right? It is an artifact in itself because
Okay.
ये जो Indian designs, अब आप बोल रहे थे ना कि fusion हम कर रहे हैं कैसे? We are bringing international expertise, blending them with Indian design and expertise that we have. We are going into the hinterland of India, going to the smaller towns where these things are being manufactured, and those guys are working directly for us as per our designs.
Okay, done.
Go to any international website like Etsy and all, these things are being sold at so much more. And you go to any
How
international
much is
store.
this for, by the way, since you have raised the topic?
Okay, the pricing. I really need
figure it out.
really need to calculate, but something around about 55
Okay.
K. Yeah.
Done. And this is not for the people, those who are looking for 100% utility or functionality.
No, even then, I mean, this table is stable. I mean, you can keep it in front of your sofa.
Yeah, but a lot of people believe that the corners are cut, so I am compromising the
बल्कि
space.
आप मानेंगे नहीं that so many clients that we have right now who have come and spoken to us, they don't want straight it's rectangular or
conventional.
conventional नहीं चाहिए उनको. They want give us something new.
I know.
So
Chaliye,
this
aage
is something
chalte.
new.
All right. Okay, moving on to the next one now. This one again, is it fresh arrival?
Fresh arrival.
Okay. We'll get to learn a lot of other things as well. These
Yeah.
are some of the projects is already executed by Azazo. ओके सर, सो मूविंग ऑन फर्दर नाउ वील ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड और क्या क्या है और उसको कैसे यूज करना है।
मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन सोफा।
अच्छा।
या वेरी नाइस बेज फैब्रिक, कॉटनिश फैब्रिक व्हिच इज सूटेबल फॉर most of the Indian conditions. Okay. And then what we have done is we put a throw here, which is blue in color. So you can put a throw which is orangish or
but this has to go in synchronization.
Absolutely, with the entire thing. Now the cushions that we put is blue color, right? So and इसके साथ अगर आप देखेंगे तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं ऑफ कॉफी टेबल्स एंड सेंटर टेबल्स। फॉर एग्जांपल नाउ
एक छोटी सी चीज मैं बता दूं, एक तो जो स्ट्रक्चर है सोफा का, जो डिजाइन है उसके बेसिस पे डिटरमाइन होता है कि दिस इज फॉर द फॉर्मल सीटिंग। लिविंग रूम का सोफा नहीं है बेसिकली, तो ये फॉर्मल सीटिंग है।
करेक्ट
राइट, बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन यूज इट for living room as well.
Now this is a large sofa that we created. It comes in the 4-seater category, right?
So this can be a living sofa?
Yeah, this can be a living room sofa. Very comfortable straight line. And I tell you what, every third customer wants this design.
अरे I just loved it. My favorite है।
That's what I'm saying. कोई जरूरी थोड़ी है कि हर एक चीज में ड्रामा होना चाहिए। मतलब कुछ सिंपल चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो कि लाइफ लॉन्ग चलती हैं।
बिल्कुल। टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेंटर टेबल नाउ, आप कॉफी टेबल की बात कर रहे थे।
हाँ जी, ये हमने फिर मिक्स एंड मैच रखा है। देखिए अगर आप अब उसमें आप देखेंगे सेट ऑफ 2 हमने सैटीज रखी हुई है, राइट? तो इस तरीके से है। इसका जो आप देख रहे हैं ये जो कॉफी टेबल है, कॉफी टेबल के साथ में आपका कॉर्नर टेबल जो है वो सिमिलर फैमिली से मैच करता है।
अच्छा,
ठीक है,
ठीक है। तो आपको जो सेंटर टेबल है, कॉफी टेबल है, वो आपको मैच करना होता है आपके सेंटर टेबल से। दिस इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल।
करेक्ट, इट इज।
कुछ तो एलिमेंट है जो आपके सेंटर टेबल से एंड टेबल में जाना चाहिए।
अब मैं आपको एक और बहुत नई चीज दिखा रहा हूँ। जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस, यू वुड लव इट।
Oh, this is nice.
We've done an experimentation again. Now it is design, sunburst design है,
right?
ठीक है,
but बहुत different है।
बहुत different है।
Not like very usual sunburst.
It's not conventional because these are our designs. We are giving our designs. अब डिजाइनर्स का कुछ तो फायदा होगा ना सर। अब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे तो डॉक्टर आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो लिख के देगा कि ये पर्ची वर्ची है, ये दवाई है। ये थोड़ी बोलेंगे कि साहब मेरे को ये वाली दवाई दे दो क्योंकि मेरे सिर में दर्द है, तो जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है डॉक्टर के पास। तो सिमिलरली डिजाइनर है। तो
हम बता रहे थे कि जब सेंटर टेबल या कॉफी टेबल आप चूज कर रहे हैं और वो थोड़ा लाउड है, थोड़ा सा बहुत, मतलब दिस बिकम्स लाइक अ फोकल पॉइंट।
करेक्ट।
तो आपको बाकी इंटीरियर थोड़ा सेटल
होना चाहिए। अब आप देखिए ये ब्लू कलर का है, जैसे आपने कुशंस रखे हैं, डार्क के साथ हमने लाइट कुशंस रखे हैं, ठीक है। ये भी एक कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत जरूरी है। तो इसमें क्या हो सकता है, ब्राउन के साथ बेज हो सकता है, राइट, ऑरेंज के साथ बेज या ऑफ वाइट हो सकता है। तो दीज काइंड ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस आर वेरी वेरी इन दीज डेज।
ओके।
एंड उसके साथ हम लोगों ने जैसे ये चेयर दे दिया। तो मतलब अभी क्या है, सब चीजें जो है आपकी, चाहे वो बोहेमियन हो, चाहे वो स्ट्रेट लाइन हो, चाहे वो क्लासिकल हो, नियो क्लासिकल हो, वो सब जो है मिक्स भी हो रहा है कुछ जगह पे, बट नॉलेज के साथ।
बिल्कुल, आपको पता होना चाहिए।
एग्जैक्टली। अब मैं एक और बहुत आपको ग्रैंड रिवील कर रहा हूँ।
ये क्या मटेरियल है? This is not,
ये मैजिक है सर हमारा।
ये तो डेफिनेटली रेजिन नहीं है, this is something else।
ये हमारा मैजिक है। अब मैं बता रहा हूँ, मार्केट में कुछ लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था हमको देखने के बाद।
अच्छा।
बट वी हैव टू कीप आवर।
क्या मटेरियल है?
सर ये देखिए ऐसा है तो रेजिन से बना हुआ।
अच्छा।
बट इसके अंदर डिजाइन के अंदर कुछ स्पेशल वुडन चिप्स वगैरह हम लोग डालते हैं ताकि ये डिजाइन बन सके।
अच्छा।
और उसको पॉलिस्टर किया है। नीचे जो बेस है आप देखेंगे एसएस का है। नाउ इट इज गोइंग एज अ होल एंड इट्स अ लार्ज वन। इफ यू हैव अ लार्जर ड्राइंग रूम जहाँ पे आप 12 से 15 सीटर रखते हैं तो ये 4x4 साइज बहुत जरूरी है।
अच्छा,
राइट,
ठीक है।
ये छोटे सेटअप में चल जाता है।
बिल्कुल।
मैं आपको क्विकली प्राइसिंग का भी बता दूं आइडिया, बिकॉज आप पूछने वाले थे। तो देखिए ऐसा है कि हमारे यहाँ जो सेंटर टेबल हैं, कॉफी टेबल हैं, वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 35-40,000 से शुरू हो जाते हैं एंड गोज अप टू अबाउट 1 लाख।
Okay.
It's a mix of combination of 2-3 set of 3, set of 4, larger one, smaller one put together, right?
Okay.
So each piece has an individual pricing. We will tell you that, and when you come to us, we'll help you decide what to go, what goes well with your entire interior thing.
All right.
Sofa का pricing मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ, between 15 to 25, right? And chairs हमारी start हो जाती हैं approximately 16 to 17,000 से जाती हैं करीबन 30,000 तक।
ठीक है।
तो ये है। बेड्स का मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा था कि हाँ, बेड्स हमारे स्टार्ट होते हैं,
डिस्प्ले करते हैं।
हम डिस्प्ले कम करते हैं, बट अभी देखिए ना जो नया बन रहा है हमारा सेटअप, वहाँ पे आप बहुत सारे बेड्स देखेंगे।
नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में देखेंगे।
नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में आप देखेंगे। और बेड्स हमारे स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं अबाउट 75K से, goes up to about 1,20,000।
ओके, डन।
तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट डिजाइन, व्हाट मटेरियल दैट यू आर टेकिंग।
ओके।
बाकी मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि वी आर अ डिजाइन फर्म, so we can interact with you on a regular basis during the during the project life. And at the end of the day, it should be beautiful, which people will say, हाँ जी, अगर ये नहीं देखा तो क्या देखा, कहाँ से लिया? एक आजकल आती है ना, एक बड़ी पंच लाइन आती है कि जब दिखाओ तो लोग कम से कम 4 लोग पूछे तो सही कि कहाँ से लिया है. तो we want to work on that philosophy.
All right.